Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable mic in Steam Game Broadcast. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the Steam application in my PC. Now all I'm gonna do is enable the mic for my broadcast. At the top left, you will see a button like this called as Steam. Click on it right now. Now once you do, all you guys need to do is shift right over to settings. Just above exit, you will see the button right here. Click on it. And guys, that is it. Initially, what you guys need to do is simply configure your mic. Just scroll down to the voice tab right here. Click on it. And just configure your microphone. As you can see, I have already configured it. Do note that you can change the voice transmission type to open microphone, push to talk, or push to mute. Well, it is up to you. Do note that you can also add mute toggle hotkey as you wish. Once you've done that, simply go to broadcast right now. And once you've done that, almost at the bottom, you can see something called as record my microphone. Simply toggle on this button, and that is it guys. That's how we enable mic in Steam Game Broadcasting. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.